In this video, you will learn how to dodge and burn your image. First, you create a curve layer and name it dodge. Then adjust the curve from the center upward like you want the image to be overexposed. Then you create another curve layer and call it burn. Then adjust from the center. You take it down to underexpose the image. Dodge is for brightening some part of the image, while burn is to darken some part of the image. We then click on image and use the apply image effect on the burn layer, leaving the setting like this. We do the same thing on the dodge layer. Click on the image and apply the image and leaving the setting the same. We then invert the burn layer by pressing Ctrl I on the burn layer and do the same for the dodge layer to invert the image. We pick our brush and mark the areas we need to be bright on the dodge layer and the area we need to be dark on the burn layer. We'll then access the property layer and increase the feather for the burn and also increase the feather for the dodge layer. Here's the before and here's the after. Please like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.